Hello from my food forest. I'm just going for a quick harvest for dinner tonight, and I was thinking I will take you with me. We usually eat what the garden gives, so now today is such a day again. And I will show you what I'm harvesting, and at the end you will see the end result. So now let's get into it. And as usually, if you liked the video, please don't forget to like, subscribe if you still didn't, and leave a comment below. So now let's go. So first stop are the cayenne peppers. I will just get just one of these red ones, and 2 or 3 or 4 of the green ones. Because actually we found out that the green ones are not that hot, so getting those. Now, do I want something here? I don't think so. So let's move on. I have seen some eggplants this morning, so this would be a good addition for tonight. Let's have a look. I need the scissors. So got this one. There are plenty more to come. Over there are some more. Let's have a look. This one can grow, but here, this is a different type. I will get those. And here are some more. Yay! And one more. So the other ones can still grow. What else wants to be harvested? Oh, over there. Let's go. Now I have to be careful because the mini cabbages are here growing. So we have one beautiful white or green eggplant. So taking this as well. So okay, let's move on. Some fresh parsley. It's always nice. Okay. Now let's go to the greenhouse. I've seen something in there. And right at the end of the greenhouse there are some perennial capsicums. So I need to cut them off again, so we'll switch you off. And while I'm here at the greenhouse, I'm also getting some of the bishop's head capsicums, which are not hot at all, so they will be a nice addition. And one more there. It's getting off quite easily. Okay, let's have a look what we have. I think I still can harvest something. So let's move on. I have a pumpkin that I really want to harvest too. So this one will be used as well. There she is. Perfect, ready for harvest. Of course, not the right scissors. A bit dirty, but looking fine. So now let's get some space. Now couple of herbs. This is zooming here. Our beautiful bees. And now the last one, I guess, is the rosemary tonight, or for tonight. Usually I would cut it off too. Okay. So now I will go to the kitchen. We will be cooking with Seb. No, it's not for you, Loki. And I will see you later.